What's up everybody, StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic, thank you very much for asking. And today we have this nice beautiful package from Viking Cycles. They sent me this jacket. It is the Overlord Textile motorcycle jacket. And yes, the bag is open because I thought I was filming but I forgot to turn it on. So let's try this again. Take it out, and like I said once before, it is the Overlord Textile motorcycle jacket from Viking Cycles. Right there, bam, Viking Cycles. Alright, see, it's got some padding here, nice. See, we got some pockets, a lot of pockets in this thing. You got a pocket here, it's like some kind of mesh liner here. You can put your earbuds through that. See about this side, and on this side up here too, so it looks like you go either side with your put your phone and your music device or whatnot in there. Then you have two more pockets over here, or one here and another one over here, so like a nylon and a little doodad you can hook stuff on. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then you have vents, a zip down vent here. And over here, we got, looks like we got, so you can tighten it up, a strap here, Velcro for the wrist, and a zipper. Same on this side. And up here, you got the little Velcro to tighten up the top there, the neck piece. Let's turn it around and see what the back looks like. Some padding here. Looks like some more vents, two vents here. This is Viking right there, and you got adjustable for the waist, which is pretty nice. Tighten it up. Let's go ahead and open her up all the way. See what's inside. All right. This. Okay. It looks like you got a removable liner. You know, if it gets a little chilly out. Okay, you got a pocket in here, in the liner itself. And over here we got another pocket. This thing's got all kinds of pockets, pretty nice. Little pocket here, little pocket here. Pocket here, it's like for your shades. Pocket there, another pocket. Little pocket. Oh, let's see, that's where your earbuds can come through here. And this is pretty neat here. You can run your earbuds, the wire, through this to either side. So, you know, you don't have that loose wire dangling in the wind, you know, slapping you in the neck and all. Let's go ahead and take this liner out. We'll take it some way. Oh, okay. Alright. Well, before we go any further, you run your earbuds wires through this too. So this is actually a cool design for your earbuds. It holds that wire all into place so you don't have it flapping around and getting stuck in all them weird places. Oh, okay, look. This has got the liners, the whole arm. Well, that's pretty sweet. Take that bad boy out. It's got, okay, Velcro's down here. Oh, and it's got little strappies here to hold it in place. Well, that's pretty nifty. Well, this is like a lot of work to get this out. I like the zips and the straps and the whatnots and the doodads and all that fine trash. Button type loop hooks to hold that in, which that is pretty sweet. My Icon Textile does not have full sleeves, and they do not have these little buttons to hold it in place, which that is pretty sweet. Which I live in Florida, so I probably won't use the liner that often. Okay, let's see if we can pull that out. So that's pretty sweet. Full, well, half sleeve, it looks like, liner. So get a little chilly. Set that over here. Alright, you do have, looks like you got some armor. I don't know the rating of it, but you got armor in the back. You do have a shoulder and elbow armor in it as well, all the way around, so that's pretty sweet. You know, you got these little armor pieces here, but they don't come out. But I believe, yeah, you could take this armor out and you can replace it with a better piece of armor if you want to. Look at this. See, look at this nice big pocket here. You can, you know, put a small little tablet in there, or you know, some chips, some Slim Jims, some snacks for the ride, whatever floats your boat. Well, that is the unboxing of the Viking Cycles Overlord Textile motorcycle jacket. Everything on it so far, just my initial thoughts, it seems like it's pretty good quality. You know, I think it's waterproof as well. I'll get you some more information on it and I'll leave it down in the description. Y'all are interested in it, you can get some more of the specs. I believe these are, if I remember right, don't quote me, but I'll check. I think these are kind of reflective, if I remember right. But I'm gonna say my initial impressions, it looks pretty good. I like it. But I'll go ahead and change, get the bike ready, put this jacket on, and take it for a spin. And we'll see how it does on the road, how it feels, if it breathes good, you know. And I really, one thing I like about it, all these pockets. Got a lot of pockets. You know, I get my energy drinks in a pocket somewhere, my Slim Jims, my candy, all that good trash. Alright guys, well, let's go hop on the bike. Well guys, I've been testing out this jacket, and it's, I kind of like it, to be honest. It's nice. I tell you, it'll probably keep you warm in the winter. And if you use the vents on this thing, it's got some major airflow. It'll keep you nice and cool in these hot days. It is hot right now, and you know, I got the vents open in the shoulders and then on the back, and it allows that air to flow through, circles around on my back. So it's actually really nice. Not bad. If you have the vents closed, it can get a little toasty inside here. And word of advice, if you open the front vents, open the back, because if not, it's like a fucking balloon, parachute. It'll want to pull you. So just do that. And I mean, it's got all kinds of straps. The straps on the wrist. It's got these to tighten it up on the side here. You know, just kind of snug it up more. I don't remember what it'll be in the video somewhere, what it's made of, but it's actually pretty nice. You guys, check them out on Instagram. It's at Viking Cycles, and then they also have bags too, and I believe that's at Viking Bags. It'll be in the description, you know, if I got it wrong, but my memory's kind of shisty. But I'm actually liking it pretty good, you know. I'm really interested in checking out more of their gear, some of the other stuff they got. I really want one of their bags, and one of there's another motorcycle jacket that I want to get from them. Check out, you know. They sent me this one to try out, and I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I do like it, and you know, I don't want to wreck it. I would say you probably won't be disappointed, but I'm not going to say go and get it because I haven't wore. I'm not going to say yeah 100% that's the greatest thing in the world because I haven't wore it that long. I've only been wearing it for a couple days. I did my unboxing. This is going on with it, but I actually have rode with it for like 3 or 4 days, and I'm really liking it so far. It does have a little more drag than my other jacket, my Icon jacket, but this one breathes better than my Icon jacket. So I mean, it's one of those, you take one, you lose one kind of thing. So and they're not really expensive either. I want to say this was under $100. So if you're looking for like a textile type jacket, you ain't got the big high dollars, you know, go ahead and check them out. You might like it. I'm really liking it. I'm willing to try more of their stuff out. So I mean, yeah, I give it a thumbs up for sure. And of course, in a few months, I'll probably do a you know, a more of an in-depth review
because I'm not going to review, and I've only had it for like a week, and I've only rode with it like 3 or 4 times. I don't feel that that's the best way to do a review, because you never know, things happen over the time. So we'll see how it holds up, and I can't give you a, I think my scene is about to fall off. I'm not going to give you like a crash test, because I'm not crashing to test it out. So sorry guys, sorry, not happening. But it's definitely, it's worth the money. I like it. And the pockets, man, it's got pockets out the yin-yang, man. You've got enough room for everything. Like I said before, your Slim Jims and your energy drinks and your Snicker bars and all that good stuff, you know. Plenty of pockets for everything. You can fit a fucking a decent sized tablet in this thing, man, in one of these pockets. And the way the earbuds, you know, the setup is, it has a little flap around the neck and things to strap in. You can put on either side. I like it. I like it a lot. You know, this is definitely going to be one of my jackets I wear a lot. You know, might not be my primary jacket, because I do still love my Icon, but I'm going to be swapping back and forth. If you guys like, go ahead and check them out on Instagram, Viking Cycles or Viking Bags. Go ahead and follow them. Drop them a few likes on their stuff. Tell them StevoFS sent you, and he loves their stuff. But alright guys, we're going to go ahead and see if I don't get pulled over here. We're going to go ahead and end it here. If you guys liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't, hit it anyways, because I liked it. Thank you very much. Somebody out there does. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos are up, because they're fantastic, goddammit. Yes, they are. And for all you beautiful people, watch out for this car right here. All you beautiful people that have been here forever, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And all the new guys that have been hopping on board, you guys are awesome too. Love you guys. But alright guys, as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out. Peace.